Hello everyone. I, Saida Nishat Rahman, is going to speak on the topic for my project Garbage Composition Monitoring System. I was supervised by Professor Kandappa Kumar Sharma and Amrita Chaudhary. These are the points I am going to cover today. My project is based on Internet of Things. The term IoT or Internet of Things was first mentioned in a presentation in 1999, but today the estimated number of IoT connected devices worldwide is around 40 billion. So, what is IoT? In layman language, IoT is a thing living or non-living that has a unique identification address and is able to transfer data over a network. And as to why IoT has become so popular, it is because of the benefits of IoT. For example, it saves time, money, and serves better quality of life, etc. The points which motivated me to take this topic as a project is as follows. Smart cities does not only require smart technology, buildings, transport system, gadgets, but also better garbage systems. With the increase in population, the average waste generated by an individual has also increased, leading to severe waste management problems. According to sanitation survey called Swachh Sarvekshan 2016, it was found that 50% people of India faced the problem of improper waste collection and management. My project, Garbage Composition Monitoring System, is just a small step in making a better garbage system for a smart city. Various other authors have already showed concern on the waste management problem and different projects have been made. These are some of the projects which have helped me in framing my project. These are the problems which I have identified during the implementation of my project. This is the methodology of my project. This is the block diagram of my project, showing the different sensors that I have used. The IR sensor is used for detecting the pathway of the garbage van. The ultrasonic sensor used detects the filling up of the garbage bin. The bow motor and wheels are used for the motion of the van. Hydraulic lift is used for the dumping of the garbage in the dumping ground. Arduino Uno is the main component of the project, which is controlling all other components. Moisture sensor coupled with servo motor is used for the separation purpose. The conveyor belt is acting as the bridge between the garbage collecting system and the separator system. The entire system is connected to Node MCU Wi-Fi module and ThingSpeak, which helps in real-time monitoring of the system. This is the flowchart of my project. This is the flowchart of the moisture sensor. This is the list of components used in this project. These slides show the work done during the different phases of the project. This is the initial assembling of the garbage van. This is the IR sensor connected with the garbage van. This is the final output of the garbage van. This is the circuit connection of the moisture sensor. The future scope of the project is as follows. In place of IR sensor, capacitive proximity sensor can be used because it has a higher sensitivity, good resolution and frequency response as compared to IR sensors. Other than moisture sensor, other or more than one sensor, it is along with using moisture sensor, we can use other sensors, for example capacitive sensors, to detect different kinds of waste, that is glass, wood, etc. Also, ultrasonic sensors can also be used in this project to detect metallic cans. In case of wet waste detection, the electrode should be longer and wider, and also since the measured values depend on properties of various materials, the waste material should be monitored from time to time. In this project, I have discussed about building a smart garbage monitoring system with the following features. This is the Gantt chart showing the different work done. This is the list of references. Thank you.